Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning. I'm in the she shop. I'm awake. I got coffee. I got my little coffee cup. Dear God, excuse me for not talking to you today. I was so busy. Were you very busy too? She's so charming. I love her. Okay. I got so much work to do. So I was going to work in the she shop yesterday, and then I started taking this blogging mastermind. This woman, y'all, every time I would take a workshop with her, like my blog traffic would go like this, and then it would plateau, and then I'd do another one and it would go like this. So I decided to pop for her mastermind class, and it's incredible. In all honesty, it's freaking incredible. So I spent all day yesterday working on my blog and relinking and linking old content to new and new to old. And it was a lot of work, and my shoulder's all jammed up now, so I can't work at office environment for an entire day. I'm like, oh, doing this all day. I want to finish that shelf that I started during the 100 Project 100 Day Challenge, and I know that's not long since that's been over, but it feels like it. Feels like a long time ago that I started that, and it was. I gotta get it done, and then I've got a desk in the hallway. Right outside that door there, there's a desk. It's a mid-century laminate desk that's getting a makeover because nobody wanted it the way it was. I'm gonna make it pretty. I'm gonna do it in white and rose gold. And I have a Zoom call at 1. The only problem is I'm supposed to pick my daughter up from school at 1. So guess where I'm doing a Zoom call? The parking lot of the school. Yep. It's gonna be very professional. Sitting there in a car, taking a call with a brand. So we'll see what happens with that. But life is life, and this is my business, and I'm running it around my life, not theirs. So if they don't like it, and they don't like Victoria said to me, you have to get a professional background, Mommy. You should put makeup on. You should do your hair. And I said, this is my brand. If they don't like this brand, you guys, if I suddenly showed up with like hair so high it looked like Dolly Parton and more makeup than Cher, you guys would be like, I'm not watching you anymore because you've gone all Hollywood. It's just not me. I've never liked to wear makeup. I put some lipstick on for them. This is what you got. So on my second date with my husband. So on my first date, I did the hair and the makeup. And then he called for a second date. And we were just going to go shopping. He needed to go shopping. And he said, do you want to go with? And I said, sure. And when he picked me up, he goes, you're not wearing any makeup. And I said, yeah, you should get used to this face. Because if you're going to see me again, this will be the one you see. What you saw the other night took an entire crew. I am not the makeup girl. I am the wood shop girl. So here I am in the shop. I'm gonna drill some pilot holes, get that back nailed on. I'm sweating, you guys. But I just get like so glossy. It's not even summer yet. I'm having my own personal sauna here. Hang on. I'm expelling toxins. Anyway, that shelf is getting the back put on it so that I can make room for the desk, because I brought the desk in and then went, yeah, I still got all that stuff in there. So let's get that out of here. Get the desk in. Paint and laminate. I'm going to be using adhesion. It's a high-tack primer. I have had so many people. I did a video, I think, or a blog post. I don't know. I'm painting laminate and using Bungalow 47 primer because it's a high-tack primer. It'll hold. And I don't know if it's the cost or the fact that you can't get it on Amazon or what the problem is. So I did buy adhesion, which is Rust-Oleum. Where are you? Kills adhesion, which is supposed to be a high-tack primer too. So we're gonna try it for the first time because I have not tried Kills. I've been told it's good. And so I've been telling people, well, you can use this. It's supposed to be a high-tack primer. And then I felt a little disingenuous because I'm like, I've never actually used it. I've been using Bungalow 47 and I like Bungalow 47, but now I want to try the Kills because it's more readily available. So I think that's more a benefit to people that are watching this channel, is that you need it to be available everywhere. You know what I mean? Like they can go to the corner hardware store. I think Lowe's and Home Depot both carry adhesion. I would have to double check that. I know Ace, my Ace did not have it, but they will order stuff in for me. So it could potentially be at my Ace soon if I like it. Because if I like it, I'll order it. I'll order a gallon of it. Got plenty of laminate that needs to be painted. But then I wanted to do it. My daughter had this vision for her room of white and rose gold. And I thought this desk would look good in there. And then she informed me she wants a cheap L-shaped laminate desk from IKEA. And I went, oh, I was gonna redo this. And now I've got my heart set on doing it in white and rose gold. So it's happening. So we're doing it in white. And all the handles and the feet, there's metal on the feet, they're gonna be changed to rose gold. And then we're gonna see how the adhesion works. But I better get started. It's not gonna do itself. Okay, so I got my backing on this shelf and now I've lost my hammer and I wanna break into several bars of if I had a hammer. That's probably not productive though, so I think the only solution is to use my upholstery hammer, which is not the best for doing this, but I can find that. Okay, all right, it's done. Looks cute. I'm gonna touch up some paint that got scuffed up while I was moving stuff around, but otherwise, I'm so glad I put the back on it. So fun fact, people won't buy shelves without a back. I've got another piece in there right now. Remember the bookshelf that I painted green? It's that open back. So I want to see if I can find like a piece of corrugated metal or something like that that I can put on the back. Just give it a little bump up. But let me touch this up and get that desk in here. I got the desk in. Oh Lord. I put the shelf outside and sprayed it with clear. And then I came in and I was getting the desk wrangled in and realized it's probably too cold out there. I don't know what's gonna happen. Probably gonna crack. It'll add to the authenticity of the old nook I want for it. I'm telling myself that. Look at it. Oh my God, the mid-century beast. I wanted to have it upright and looking cute for you guys. And you know what? It's heavy. It's not gonna happen. It's heavy. The legs had to come off. One of them is missing the metal, so I have to deal with that situation. But yeah, it's a mid-century. These are wood, this is laminate. And it has seen better days. This was my husband's desk growing up. My mother-in-law gave it to me. And the drawer stops are gone. The drawers are like wedged in there. It is a project. I was gonna do this for the 100 Project 100 Days challenge, and then I realized how much of a project this thing actually is. And I went, well, maybe it'll wait till after the challenge, because it's a challenge, all right. I mean, just getting the damn drawers out is going to be hard enough, but yeah, it's seen better days. It has definitely seen better days. So I got to get it prepped and painted. That's the plan, at least. It's not going to happen overnight. And that's okay. I'm okay with that. I thought I would do the tips of these in rose gold and do the body in white. I thought that would be cute. So we'll see. Oh, I didn't get a before picture. I'm so bad. Darn it. I gotta put the legs back on, set it up right. Lord, please help me treat everything like I'm a professional. Amen. It's on its feet now. Got a picture of, well, it's not on, the feet are still on the floor. The feet rolled off onto the floor. You guys, I am dehydrated apparently. We had a small issue with the desk. So this drawer up here had fallen into the actual cavity of the dresser and did not want to come out. So I had to perform like surgery on the darn thing to get it out. I had to pull all the drawer stops out of the upper level. So it was down here and I had to pull all the drawer stops out up here, raise it up and coax it out. It was not coming out. I have never wrestled a drawer like that before. Oh, I got a sliver. Never had one fall into the interior of a dresser and not come out. Like, at all. Now I don't want to do the dresser. I'm so mad at it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh. Only you on the daily vlog. Like, if they don't watch, others don't watch the daily vlog, they won't know. They'll think this was flawless. And you guys are going to be like, you know what? She was cussing. I was cussing. I told it to suck body parts I don't even have. It was not ladylike at all. I had the dead blow hammer out. I was whacking at it. It would not come out in the drawer stop in the front. I had the crowbar. You think I'm lying. It's a freaking crowbar. And I was trying to get the stop out of the front where the drawer was actually stuck and it wouldn't come out. I think that little bad boy is built into the frame. I have all the staples out and Lord bless me, I used every ounce of power I had. That wasn't going to tear it apart. I mean, I didn't want to have to rebuild the whole thing. So then I had to get a little clever and go, well, it does want to go up, except those drawer stops are there. So I'm like, well, I'll replace the drawer stops or the slides with a crowbar and a dead blow hammer, fixing the mid-century desk because it needed a paint job. You never know what tools you're going to need, so make sure they're all on hand, that's for sure. I love people who think that what I do is like, put a pretty coat of paint on it and then you're done. Sure, that's what I do. Sure, I don't pull things apart at the seams and have to put it back together again. No, not at all. Why do you ask? Guys. Oh, there are days that I'm just like, what am I doing here?
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.